Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today I will present Nous by Mesolitica, a bahasa Melayu chatbot powered by ChatGPT and Malaya LLM. This is part of an MPC program of Turbocharge My Brand together with Brand Geeks Inc. So the problem that we are tackling is for customer support, where your agent handles a lot of queries manually, right? So we intend to use this chatbot to help automate FAQs and reduce those inquiries automatically, and also try to resolve any issues that you handle manually as well. Apart from that, for those that already experienced with the chatbot platform before, we would like to elevate that experience with the new capabilities of this AI-powered chatbot by ChatGPT, as well as give you an experience to better handle the management of your chatbot in your organization. Early on, when we deployed and upgraded our chatbot with ChatGPT, we had this proof of concept with Department of Statistics Malaysia, TOSM, where they gave us feedback that our chatbot is 100% AI, manages bahasa Melayu very well, as well as their experience of their old chatbot where it is rule-based and it's hard to manage. So when they use our chat nows, this is the feedback that they give back to us, and we are happy with that experience. So nows is powered by ChatGPT together with Malaya LLM, and we would like to give this next-gen business bot that you can deploy within 60 seconds. Manages bahasa Rojak and bahasa Pasar, English and bahasa Melayu, as well as all these social media languages or short form. And more importantly, as I can mention, we want to give this new experience of managing a chatbot, AI chatbot that is more simplified. So on your right is a screenshot of the actual chatbot widget that you can install into your website. Here is the look and feel of the applications at your end, where you manage, deploy, and improve the conversations with your customers automatically. And this is built by us at the application layer. We are using official APIs from Azure OpenAI services together with our own language model called Malaya LLM, large language model. And all of this is deployed on the cloud with Microsoft Azure. And all AI training and inferences are done with NVIDIA hardware. Our target market comprises of two, for SMEs and enterprise like yourself, where you receive a lot of traffic to your website. And from there, you receive many types of inquiries, be it WhatsApp, calls, or support tickets. And we would like to put in Nous in between and handle all those FAQs especially, and transfer the complex query to your agents to handle more efficiently. On the other hand, for big corporates or enterprises that wish to deploy Nous internally, it is also possible, where the purpose is for the employees to get new information, or we call knowledge discovery, for all the various things that happens in a big organization. Our business model is straightforward. It is a monthly subscription of 100 ringgit per month for SMEs, which gives you a monthly quota of 10,000 KBRs, or question and answer pair, each month. For enterprises, the big corporates, it starts at 10,000 ringgit per cluster per month, which gives them higher security, privacy, as well as additional features to satisfy risk and compliance requirements. Coming back to the KBR, as you mentioned, knowledge-based reply is 1 KBR is equivalent to 1 question and answer pair. And if you exhausted your quota, monthly quota, each 1,000 KBRs will cost you 100 ringgit as well. For having said that, which means every KBR is 10 cent cost to you. So for coming back to the example before, this conversation here is worth 2 kbrs. Okay, just to illustrate. Our competitive advantage early on when we deploy Nous to the market, we were fortunate enough to be listed under the NVIDIA AI catalog for language AI in Malaysia, and we are one of the first to be able to do this. And for those that don't know, NVIDIA is the number one AI hardware company in the world. And a few months back, they just passed their 1 trillion market capitalization. So we are super proud to be able to have their support and direct access to all the capabilities that have both on both hardware and software. Together with NVIDIA, what we intend to do is once we have the text chatbot 100% capabilities verified, we will move on to developing Nous for voice assistance, giving it speech capabilities that we can converse naturally, and then we can evolve Nous voice assistant and slap it together with a 3D avatar to give this experience of talking to a AI character, either be in a kiosk format or in the metaverse, if that ever happens. But both are dependent on the market demands for sure. So next is how we onboard you as our customers. So whenever you sign up with an account, we will start to train with your business knowledge, where it's either you give us the list of website that you want us to train on, or the best practice is you collate all your information into a set of documents, preferably in PDF format. You store it into a Google Drive that you share with us, and we will use that to train Nous to able to answer any questions that you would like the chatbot to handle. Once it's been trained, together with your PIC for handling the chatbot, we'll do this testing phase where we'll complete this artifact called baseline accuracy report, where you ask your FAQs and evaluate the response of Nous. Give it a yes or no or a percentage, where ultimately, once the rate is above 75% or 80%, then we are confident that Nous will handle all the questions. Then only then we will deploy live into your website or other channels that you're liking. For example, a Telegram bot, if you wish. For meta platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, we don't have it by default, only by request, because there are additional charges of deploying into these channels. But once we have the sales automation enabled for Nous, WhatsApp will be a default option as well. So that is all for the pitch. And if you have any questions, you can contact me via email, khalil@mesolitica.com, or connect me at LinkedIn at Khalil. So next, we'll move on to the Nous demo. We'll see you shortly. Okay, thank you. Demo for Nous. So we can head up to our website, mesolitica.com/nous, Nous, and click on the try free and log in to register for the trial account. Once you are logged in, this is how you will see it, the dashboard, the first page. And to create your first chatbot, you head to the chatbots page, and from there you add new chatbot. Okay, so basic is only two things that you have to give is the name. So in this case, I will do Nous MPC, and we will give a URL, the source documents. So we will use best practice would be a Google Drive, where you upload all your business information in PDF format, so for easy organization and retrieval. So in this example, this demo, I'll upload two types of content. One is the write-up of your products. So here is about Nous, 1 minute summary, and also a email introduction with a few paragraphs with some details. And the next document will be a list of FAQs, right? So in this case will be about, I have 50 questions, including my WhatsApp link to my number, right? So once I have these two documents uploaded, I will have to share this folder for Nous to be able to read it. So we click here, click share, and then make sure that this general access is with anyone with link, and the permission is only for viewing. Okay, so we do not copy the file, but we just read the file when we train. So you can click this copy link, right? Then done. Go back to here and you paste the link here. So remember, it's the link to the folder itself, not the individual documents. So once you have this, you can add chatbot. Okay, so name, data source, and then click add chatbot. So once added, you can see below here, it starts to download the files from Google Drive. Okay, and we will give it a minute. Okay, it's already deployed. Now we wait for it to be alive. So even if this is not alive, right here, when you click here, it will give you a message saying that chatbot is not alive yet. So while we wait, so once it has a tick mark, right, so we can use this previous one that I've deployed, which is alive already. You can click test. You can straight away test with your organization's data. So here we'll say salam bro, just to illustrate, and we'll wait for the response. Okay, Waalaikumsalam bro, bagaimana saya boleh tolong awak, right? So since the document that I uploaded was about Nous, okay, Nous tu apa ya bro? So it's a bahasa style, right, with the APE which is misspelled. Okay, so yeah, Nous ialah perkhidmatan automatik yang dimainkan oleh Mesolitica untuk PKS for soalan lazim, social Malaya LLM. And so if you read this, more or less it will be based on the information that you provided in your data set just now. Okay, so that is all. I think that is all to it. So once you have you're satisfied with the training data, you add on more data, and what we'll do next is during the testing phase, you will test with all your questions, and you will add into this artifact called this Nous line baseline accuracy, and fill up the questions and the answers for Nous and rate whether it's accurate or not. And if it's not, we can put in the remark so that we can work together with you to improve how you want it to respond, right? It's either changing the persona, adding more information, etc. So once it is happy with that, you may, let's see, okay. Any changes, you can make any changes here, then you can just click the update bot to update with new information or with new settings. Okay, so here, like updating, and whenever you add more documents, instead of going here to update, you upload the file into the Google Drive just now, and then you can click index, and to retrain the bot. So when you say download files from Google Drive, it will refresh the knowledge base for Nous with your latest information. Once you're happy with the accuracy of the bot, you can deploy by going back to the setting here and copy this section, this website widget, copy here, and then you can paste it into your website. You can give it to your webmaster or your IT personnel, or to paste into your website, either in WordPress or any other CMS that you're using for your website. It is the experience is like how you would deploy copy paste Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel in a website. And if you have a technical team or developers that does your applications, you can give them this link so that they can integrate into your existing applications if you have, right? This is to programmatically use Nous with any developed applications. Okay, so that is, let's see. Okay, so the new bot I created just now, oops, sorry, has been deployed and it's alive. So yeah, that is all. One more time for prosperity. Salam bro. Alaikum salam. Alright. Okay, that is all. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the onboarding.